What if I told you Google secretly teased a device at their own event, but never said a word about it? Like, share, and subscribe, because today we are diving into a mystery Google may not want you to notice. At the Made by Google event in August, a strange device appeared for just a moment. Then, it vanished, never explained. Now, a new leak may have revealed the truth. Inside the Google Home app, version 3.41, researchers found the name Google Home Speaker. That is surprising, because Google abandoned the Home brand years ago. Why bring it back now? The code also mentions 360 audio. In simple terms, it spreads sound evenly in all directions, so the entire room hears the same immersive sound. Could this be Google's move against Apple's HomePod Mini? And there is more. Nest Aware may be renamed Google Home Premium. Is Google planning a new subscription tied to this speaker? So is Google Home Speaker just a placeholder? Or the start of Google's big comeback? The leaks sound convincing, but the real mystery remains. What will 360 audio actually sound like in your living room?